children, let's learn how to write capital E and cursive E in our 4-line notebook. So again, first we look at the 4 lines. The first line is red in color. The second and the third one are blue in color. And the fourth one is red in color. Now let's learn how to write capital E in our 4-line English notebook. So we will start from the first red line. So let's keep our pencil on top of the first red line and make a standing line going from top to bottom, and it will touch the second blue line like this. After this, we have to make the sleeping lines. So again, we will make one sleeping line on the top of the first red line like this. The second sleeping line on the second blue line like this, and the third sleeping line will be shorter than this one. So we will make it on the first blue line like this. So this is how we make our capital E. Now it's time to make our cursive E. So let's look here. We will start from the second blue line, and the cursive letters, as we all know, they always start with a curve. So we will start with a curve and take it up to the first blue line. Turn it around towards your left side like a loop. Bring it down to the second blue line and take it slightly up like this. So this is your cursive E. Now let's make it one more time. We started with a curve from the second blue line. We take it up to the first blue line. Turn it around to make a loop towards your left side. Bring it down to the second blue line and then take it slightly up like this. So this is your cursive